In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in Asana. Whether you're looking to streamline your workspaces or simply remove one that you've finished using, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. Before we start, it's important to note that when you delete a workspace in Asana, it's more about removing your access and clearing content than completely erasing it from existence. So, to kick things off, the first critical step is to delete all the projects, portfolios, and dashboards associated with the workspace. This ensures that no lingering data ties you or other members to this workspace. To do this, navigate to each project or portfolio within the workspace and eliminate them. This can be done by going to the project settings and selecting Delete Project. For portfolios and dashboards, follow similar deletion steps through their respective settings. Once all the content is cleared, the next step is to remove all members from the workspace. This is crucial as it ensures everyone is completely detached from the workspace. Head to the members list, usually found in the workspace settings or under the team setup section, and begin removing each member systematically. Simply click on a member's name or avatar and choose the option to remove them. Now, with the workspace stripped of its content and members, it's time to move on to your personal removal. Click on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the Asana interface. There, you'll find a series of options, one of which is the Account tab. Go ahead and select it. As you scroll down in the account settings, you'll find the option labeled Remove Me from this workspace. Click on this, and through a few simple confirmations, you'll effectively remove your own access to the workspace. It's essential to understand that this process does not entirely erase the workspace from Asana's systems. Instead, what it does is terminate access, making it essentially deleted for you and anyone else you have removed. This means neither you nor the other members can see or access it anymore, effectively cleaning up your dashboard. And there you have it. With these steps completed, you've successfully deleted a workspace from your perspective and for all other members who were part of it. This method is highly effective for maintaining an organized workflow, especially in collaborative environments. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore other Asana tutorials on our channel to further enhance your project management skills. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.